This is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and this morning I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks right now and give you guys an idea of what I'm buying. Now, we've had a remarkable recovery in the S&P 500. You can see this extraordinary sort of V-shaped recovery since the late December lows. And as a result, we're seeing a lot of names breaking out in momentum, including some that we've been talking about for a couple weeks. IRobot is the first one that I'm still long. That's IRBT. This is the maker of the Roomba and these vacuum cleaners and moppers that are autonomous. So IRobot looks like it's going to be testing new highs pretty soon. It's up quite a bit since we first talked about it. And then there are the enterprise software stocks, which we continue to be long. We'd already talked about Twilio in a previous video. You can see the charts on all of these are just fantastic. We've got the stocks trading above the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average, the red line there. So that's Twilio. Another one that's breaking out to new highs that we talked about a couple weeks ago is OCTA, OKTA. This one just hit new highs yesterday. And if this market continues its run, it should continue to run. And by the way, I should say these are obviously not investment recommendations. You got to do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I'm trading these days. The next stock that's really showing amazing momentum is another enterprise software stock called Workiva, which is its ticker is WK. And again, this one hitting new highs. It's very interesting. We have different leadership, different market leaders for this next rung, this next move higher. A lot of the FANG stocks are still underperforming quite a bit. Stocks like Facebook and Netflix are still really underperforming. So the market has these new leaders. A lot of these names like Workiva, which we just spoke about, you may not be familiar with, but this is how the market works. It rotates into new names. And the names that are very crowded, like the FANG stocks, it's going to be very hard to make money from them. They'll tend to track the market, especially because some of the FANG stocks like Apple are the market. They're a huge percentage of the S&P 500. So that's Workiva. Next one I wanted to talk about is VEEV Systems. This is this is a cloud computing company, and the ticker is VEEV. This one breaking new highs as well. Really great looking chart, and should continue to move higher, especially if the market moves higher. Then we have an old name that I remember from the late 90s, early 2000s, KIRC, which is they make LEDs, lighting products, and RF products for RF and power applications. And the ticker is CREE. Really breaking nicely higher. And then another old name that we've spoken about before, Ulta Beauty, ULTA. This one's consolidating, trading sideways, and looks poised for another level out. You can see that it, like many of these stocks, it bottomed before the S&P bottomed. Actually, it looks like, I take that back. It looks like it bottomed. Well, it bottomed about 7 days before the S&P. It bottomed on December 21st. And a lot of these market leaders, they've bottomed before the S&P did, or before the NASDAQ did in late December. And then they went on to hit new highs. So, for example, the NASDAQ and S&P have not hit new highs. But stocks like Ulta are already hitting new highs. And this is another way you can tell that they're very strong. Then I just have two more stocks I want to talk about. Ubiquiti Networks, which makes communication equipment. The ticker is UBNT. This one, again, trading right at new highs. Amazing looking chart, and should continue to really outperform the market. Now, there's been a lot of attention paid to some recent IPOs like Lyft and Uber coming public now. These are very difficult to make money in from the outset. They're very crowded, especially names that everyone's very familiar with. So I'm going to suggest an IPO name that's a few months old, but that is a much less crowded trade. You probably haven't heard of it. It's EVO Payments. And the ticker is EVOP. And this has been, well, I shouldn't say recent IPO. It actually went public at the end of May 2018. But you can see this is a chart that's really off people's, this is a company that's really off people's radar. and it's just been grinding higher. It's doing some nice sideways consolidation here, and I wouldn't be surprised at all if this continues to move higher. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about how I trade, check out my courses and books at Trader University. And I'll stick a link in the description notes below, along with a discount if you want discounted access to my courses that include swing trading with options, learn to trade stocks like a pro, price action trading, as well as a bunch of lectures on this kind of momentum stock trading. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.